And I was there during your talk this morning, and I was very impressed by the way you explained the information modeling and the. So my question was, if in what you just explained about the interaction with the public, with the community, you are exploring the idea of digital twins, so which is an exact replica of your iconic projects, which are accessible remotely by the public to either explore it or prepare the stay or visit. Thank you.
Very interesting question, and indeed, digital twin is in the radar. But as you may all know, that we need first to build some of the components, like the BIM, for example, which we mentioned earlier on. The BIM would allow you to have the 3D designs of such project and others. So we have these components. You have the 3D designs of buildings in the city, and gradually you have a very detailed information about, let's say, Kingdom Tower, King Abdullah Garden City, the building of Riyadh Municipality, and so on. With the addition of the 3D footage, either by satellite imagery or drones, we can construct the digital twin to fill in the gaps. Then at the end, we end up with a digital Riyadh, which is, as you mentioned, it's going to be a replica of the real world, and we're going to utilize it. And this is the beauty of the digital twin. We're going to utilize it to do simulations. Nowadays, with the focus and with the investment activities and the exhibitions and everything that's happening in Riyadh these days, traffic becomes noticeable maybe. With digital twin, you can do some simulations. What will happen if I will expand, let's say, King Fahd Road from being 4 lanes to 6? What will happen? What would I do if I redirect the traffic from an area to another, and so on? So simulations is what we are really targeting at the end. One of many use cases that we aim to benefit from Riyadh Digital Twin. Simulation, managing the city. The digital twin will be the heart of Riyadh Operation Center, through which the team will be managing everything that happens in the city at the same second that it happens. This is a long journey. It might take us 3, 5, 4 years. No one knows until we start digging in and start implementing those components eventually. So thank you for the question, very interesting.